it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. If you are returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, so today I am bringing you several wig reviews. Now, I don't know if you've seen in a recent video I did, I was like, where's Bobbi Boss? Anybody seen Bobbi Boss? Bobbi Boss is back, y'all. They finally came back. Outre has been running this game lately, but I was like, I ain't heard a peep out of Bobbi Boss. Bobbi Boss finally came back. So we gonna see what they working with. We gonna see if they got any good goods. I hope they've been listening. I hope they've been paying attention to their competition, because the competition is real. So it appears they have a new soft wave series. I'm going to assume that this is a new series because I've never heard of it. So they have this new soft wave series, and the first one I'm going to review, it's MLF573 RAELA. It claims to have sleek texture and volume, a 4.5 deep lace part, HD transparent lace, premium heat safe fibers, and she comes with baby hairs. Now, I'm going to review this one first, which I have in the color OL1B30. Now, I also have two others, which is MLF572 ELOISE, and I have ELOISE in the color 1B. And then the last one I'm going to review is MELONI. And I have this one in the color TT1B/2730. All of these claim to be premium synthetic lace front wigs. So I'm only going to show you the complete details of this first one, and then the next two, we're just going to see them already styled because it's pretty much the same. So let's go ahead and get into this review.
Alright y'all, so here's the stock card for Miss RAELA, and as you can see, it also has the pictures of the other two units I'm going to be reviewing as well. Now this is the beautiful hair straight out of the package. This is what the hairline looks like, and this is what the parting space looks like. It has a standard cap construction with the two combs in the front, one in the back, and the adjustable straps, as well as a breathable cap. Now, at first glance, I really wasn't too sure how I was liking it. I just felt like maybe it would come around. And you see this little patch of lightness in the parting space? That happened with every single wig, so I'm not really sure what that is, but it can be camouflaged with a little foundation powder. Alright, so I have been talking about my new best friend in several videos, and that would be this Kiss Cream Foundation in the color Rich Mahogany. I have been using it to tint my lace underneath, and then I still use my MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder in the color NW45 on top of the lace. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, I do like to open up the beginning of my parting space. So I'm just going in and pulling just a few strands out of the beginning. And now I'm going to lay some baby hairs down using my edge booster.
Alright y'all, so after styling RAELA, this is what we have. Now let's chat about her now. I really thought Bobbi Boss was gonna like come back with a bang. Like I thought it was gonna be something serious. And I ain't done with the other one, so maybe I'll be surprised. But this one is just okay for me. Yeah. So the color, very pretty. Even the style, the style is like one of those, it's mostly okay. I think like this is probably my favorite part. I love a good swoop bang, so like this is giving it to me. But the fact that these curls are like going every which way they want to go, no real direction, can get a little annoying for me. You know, it's cute or whatever. Am I super excited about her? Maybe not. So this HD hairline, I feel like once I tinted her, I feel like she does melt. I feel like you can't really tell where this lace starts. I did lay a few little baby hairs, only because this hairline is not And it doesn't claim to be. So that's what I do like. Don't sell me a dream, okay? Don't tell me it's pre-plucked when it's not. So it didn't say it was pre-plucked. And it is not pre-plucked. But look at that blend with that foundation though. Like that is my skin right there. Like, oh. I love my new best friend, y'all. I love my new best friend. Cat size, not so sure, y'all. It's like a perfect fit on my small to medium size head. My head measures at 21.5 inches. So if you are above that, your perfect fit might be a little tight. We are shangling. Yep, this is a shangler right here. We are shedding and tangling, y'all. Moderate to heavily. Like, I was like, oh my gosh. I was just like pulling hair out. And I'm gliding right now, but every once in a while I'll get stuck up in here. See, that was a snag. For the price range of this wig, it ranges anywhere between $25 and $40. I'll always leave a link down in the description box below of various options if it's something you're interested in. All right, so I'm really trying not to make this video too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick 360 and move on to the next one. So the catastrophe I just went through with Eloise. Oh my God, like how did the lace rip that easily? I was just trying to shift her and I don't even think I was tugging that hard. Like, what? Bobbi Boss, like what are we doing? Okay, let me not blame Bobbi Boss. I'm gonna blame it on human error. Maybe I just should have shifted a little softer. So she's still cute. I had to work it out and give you some sort of final look because I knew this wig was gonna serve it to me. Like, I just knew it. I felt it. Like, look at this. This wig is actually quite beautiful. Y'all know this is right up my alley. But I had to make it look presentable even with the ripped lace. And all you saw me do with that ripped lace was tuck both sides. I could have cut. I mean, you could cut it off. I just tucked it. She is nicely tucked up under here. And I put some more powder right here at the beginning to make her look even more natural. Like, so I think I pulled it off for the most part. I was nervous. I was like, what am I gonna do? What are you doing to rip lace? Oh no. You tuck a rip lace. You just tuck it away. So nobody sees. This is giving me the business. All kinds of sexy little vibes. Come on now. Yes, honey. She's cute. So minus the ripped lace, I feel like she is serving. Honestly, I feel like I might have had a little more room in this cat. And maybe it's because I ripped the lace. And so she kind of like spread apart. Could be. So don't take my word. Don't take my word. Because I'm not sure. It could be that. But it probably is definitely that. I don't feel like this one is as tight as the other one. Of course, because I ripped the freaking lace. The hair luster is beautiful. Like, this could really be some bundles right here to me. I feel like I got some human hair bundles going on. Now, she ain't tangle free. I ain't gliding, so that's what make her not a human hair dupe, but she's cute. She's still a cute look. And I'm still getting a little shedding. Yeah, we're shangling still with this one. We are shangling. I like this one. I'm feeling Eloise. I'm not feeling that name because that's not the vibe I'm getting with this unit. I'm not getting an Eloise. Remember, I'm not getting Lady Eloise. Marcus. Yeah, we're not getting Lady Eloise. I'm sorry. I told y'all I'm a movie buff. Everything either makes me think of a song or a movie. Marcus. So Eloise has the exact same price range, $25 to $40, of course depending on the site you choose to get her from as well as the color you choose. So let me give you this 360 and then we're going to move on to the next one. thoughts after styling Miss Meloni. Now, what I've come to realize, what all 3 units have in common is this ridiculous shingling. I don't have time, Bobbi Balls. I need you to really get that together. I need you to go back to the lab, get the scientists that are gonna make sure the fibers aren't doing both shedding and tangling in every wig. I can handle 1 or 2, but like, shangling in every wig in this series? No, 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 no. I don't want it. My aunt always teases me to this day at almost 40 years old. When you were taller, your favorite line was, I don't want it. And I'm still saying, I don't want it. I don't want it. All right, so let's get into some goods of this one. So it's like that, like messy wavy. It's not like real defined wavy. It's just like messy, you know, I'm here. Now the color is beautiful. It is called TT1B/2730. However, this is giving me more 30. I don't know if I see a whole lot of 27. It may be some specks up in here in between it, but definitely giving me 30 vibes. I don't feel like my hair is laying like the stock car. Like, I like the way the stock cars is laying. It's just like nice and effortless. I don't know. I just feel like mine is, it's just kind of here. And, you know, maybe because I brushed through her to try to get through some of the tangling that was going on. But yeah, I'm just not, it's just okay. So even with me not ripping this lace, I feel like this cap is more so loosely comfortable. It's comfortable, but it's not as like perfect comfortable as the first one, which was, what the heck was the name? I'm not gonna be remembering all these names, y'all. I'm just not. We just gonna say the first one. To me, I just feel like they're, you know, they're basic synthetic units. I thought they were gonna come out with a bang and wow me. I haven't gotten a real wow factor from Bobbi Boss. Come on, Bobbi Boss. I need you to get in that lab and really get to thinking and really looking at your competitors, because you slipping, you falling behind, Bobbi Boss. I mean, I used to be a real huge fan. Like last year when y'all came out with that, I forgot what the name of the line was, but whew, yeah, y'all had something going on last year. I need you to come back. Can y'all see that I burned myself? I have a whole wig styling battle wound. Everything is a battle wound, so I call my stretch marks from being pregnant and giving birth, those are my baby battle wounds. Anytime I burn myself from trying to style a wig, it is my wig styling battle wound. It's just my battle wound. I was in the battle. I was in the fight. And that's the wound I got. Can you see it? Look at that. Ain't that a shame? That's going to be so ugly tomorrow. It's okay. So the price range of MELONI is between $30 and $40. It's probably it's the highest price range. Now this is some real good thick density. This ain't no lightweight right here. I was a little skeptical on wig number 2. I don't remember the name. I'm sorry. Wig number 2 was ELOISE. ELOISE had a real light density, but this is some real good thick density right here, so I can appreciate that, and that's probably why the cost of this one is a little bit more. So I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments below. Which wig was your favorite wig? You can just say 1, 2, or 3, because I don't remember these names either, so I don't expect you to, okay? Which one of these wigs was your favorite? I would say the second one was my favorite, because that's just my style. That's just my vibe. Like that whole wavy vibe, you know, that one was cute and sexy to me. I love the color of this one, but I love the style of number 2. That's me. That's my style right there. Let's chat about all of these down in the comments below. Because this video is already super long, I'm not going to do any kind of special Shook Muffin shout outs this time. I'm going to try to get out y'all hair right now. I'll save it for another shorter video. So Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.